Hi Jack, just an update on your 6MCR so far. So I'll show you the fab work to start with. So skid adapter, we just got hosing to go on this, but you can see the S40 is on here, and you've got these big gussets, so that should be nice and strong. And the EC oil blocks will be here, and the hoses will come out here with your coupling, so that will let you leave this attached to the concrete mixer or bucket broom, and then you won't have to get out of the cab to take the hoses off. So you just take the universal skid steer attachment hoses and plug them into here, and then quick change on there, so that's good. So we, on the little EC Toy 6, we quite regularly have some little problems with these blocks. If you're not careful when you're picking it up, you're able to knock these a little bit. So we've added these plates onto any of the EC oil attachments and the tilt rotator. This helps you guide the top hitch from the machine. So this hitch, so it just helps you guide it into the attachment or the tilt rotator without having too much chance of damage. So yeah, it'll make sure the hitch is nice and square before it can come down over these. And then since we've been doing that, we have had no problems with that. We've also got these little tags we've put on all the EC oil attachments, which shows the direction of the hitch. So really simple, the front jaw has to come onto here. It's the same with the other attachments. So it just shows you the direction which you need to hook up, because if you try to hook up backwards, you can smash those blocks. So you can't hook up backwards with the EC oil. So this is the skid bucket. So we've gusted it up a fair bit, obviously a fair bit of force going through it with the skid bucket. So that's nice and strong. EC oil blocks to go back on. Auger bracket, same thing, just so you don't pick it up backwards. EC oil blocks, and then you'll just take your auger hoses and plumb them into the bottom. There you go, where those two plugs are. So not a huge update, but that's all the fab work done. The GPS is going in it this week. So that's back with a new prototype box, which looks really good. That'll go in behind the seat. So I'll give you another update once the GPS is set up, and then it'll be a final little test and have it on its way to you. All right, thanks mate.